we've got a 2006 Ford Edge here with a misfire, intermittent misfire code on cylinder number 2. And we have a code P0202, which is a fuel injector circuit code. So I checked the circuit, visually looking at the harness. I don't see anything wrong with it. The terminals look pretty good. I don't see any corrosion in there. I was concerned there might be some rodent damage. There is a little evidence of rodent in the front, but that doesn't seem to be the case. Every vehicle is a little bit different with firing order. For this one, it's 1, 2, 3 in the back and 4, 5, 6 in the front. When I checked the resistance on all the fuel injectors, number 2 was different than the other ones. Now you may not be able to get a spec all the time for fuel injectors, but if you check all of them and one of them is significantly different, especially the one that's giving you trouble, then that's a good indication you need a fuel injector. And just touching the 2 terminals, you can see on this one I have about 17 ohms of resistance. I have about 17 ohms on that one. Now if I check the other ones, they're all around 13. Obviously you got to pull the intake off to do this. But all the other ones are reading about that. 12.6, 12.9. Except for the one that's given us trouble. 12.9. 12.7. Alright, so I put a new injector in there, number 2. Now I can button this back. So if you have a fuel injector circuit code, chances are you have a misfire and a check engine light that's flashing. You definitely want to check the wires out, see if there's any chafed wires or broken wires. Check the connectors, see if there's anything loose there. If that's all set, chances are you have a bad injector, but it's always a good idea to check the resistance and compare it to the other injectors. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, you know what to do.